So, Chad, why don't you tell me your feelings about this truck?
Daniel?
Uh-huh.
I honestly have nothing to say.
Doesn't it make you feel happy? Driving this big rig like a power trip, it empowers you? Isn't it the most amazing thing you've ever done?
I honestly have nothing to say right now. Like, I am out of words.
Oh.
I have been hearing this bullshit all morning, and all I want to do is go home, get drunk, and have nightmares of beep, 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 beep.
Beep, beep. What is that? Why don't you give us a demonstration?
Well, I can't now.
Oh.
Because this vehicle decided to speed up.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, I've been hearing it all day, all morning, too.
But I'm closer to it.
It makes it hard to sleep.
Makes it hard to drive.
Yeah.
I'm suing Volvo.
I'm suing everyone. I'm going to file a lawsuit against the whole goddamn world.
Everyone, all 7 billion of you people,
Give me $1.
have been a distraction.
$1 per person in the world. I'd be rich.
Oh, there it is.
You're too close. You're too goddamn close. That's too close. You're too close. Distance alert. Distance alert. Distance alert. Woo! Oh, you backed up a little bit. How fast are we going, Chad?
69.
What's the speed limit?
7.
Oh, so we're going under the speed limit.
I won, sure.
Oh, wow.
I
just want y'all to hear what it sounds like back here when you're trying to sleep, okay? Do it again, Chad.
There it is.
Wow, I can sleep through that really fucking easy.
Isn't it like a lullaby?
Do it again. Yay, that's my favorite noise. How far away are we from them, you want to say?
20. Oh, now about a good 30 feet in closing.
This is what I deal with every goddamn day.
Beep, 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 beep,